Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Bobbi and I do beauty things, all cost-effective beauty things, okay? So if you are ready to see how I got, not this, okay, we are not doing this in this video. If you're ready to see how I got this flawless foundation and what lip combo this is, then go ahead and keep watching this video. Oh, really quick, do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff down below. And also, if you feel like it, go ahead and follow me right here for, you know, just to get to know me better, okay? And down in the description box below is all the rest of my socials, so feel free to follow me, okay? Let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. So since we're going for flawless, like beautiful skin, and I haven't tried to make it like a secret or anything that I have, you know, problematic skin that has like a lot of scarring and stuff like that, but I still actually really love a lighter coverage. So that's why I'm revisiting the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, and I'm in the shade 310. Well, this is actually like my summer shade, but you know, either way. So we're gonna try that out, like retry it out. And for right now, I'm going to use the E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer, and I'm gonna use that in the regions that I have like the biggest pores. I know that these lights, these studio lights, do me all the favors, honey. So you guys can't really see most of my imperfections, stuff like that. But trust me, they're there. They're in full effect too. So, okay, so now that I have that on, I am going to use the NYX Conceal, Contour, and Correct little 6-pan of cream eyeshadow, or cream eyeshadows, pan of 6 cream concealers, and I'm going to be using
the shade or
the medium one. So I'm gonna pick one that's like closest to my actual face shade right now. So I'm gonna take that one and I'm going to mix it a little bit with this other one that's basically gone, okay? Taking Project Pan to the next level, and I'm kind of like dabbing it on the spot that I want it on, but then also like blending the edges with my fingers. In all of the places that I need, I feel like I'll need a little bit more coverage, I'm basically going to be using that specific technique. So like, let's say on this one, I'm gonna put it on there and kind of hit it from all angles. So go on top, up and down, sideways, circular motions, if that helps you. And then feather out the edges. And if it's not an exact match, that's completely fine because it will get fixed with the powder. Before I use the foundation, I'm going to use the concealer that I want to use, a liquid concealer, and I'm going to be using my Ride or Die E.L.F. Hydrating Concealer. And I do already have my eyes done. If you don't plan on doing your eyes, you can just put concealer over your eyes. And just put the concealer anywhere you'd normally put it. Okay, and then I like to use a beauty blender. If beauty blenders aren't your thing, then go ahead and use something else and just blend it out how you normally would. So I put the concealer on, and I normally put it only right here, but since I am using a powder foundation, I decided to use the remnants of my beauty blender and then just tap it along the bottom, kind of where I would want it to be a little bit lighter in color on my jawline. I don't like to use the little sponges that come with it underneath, or if it comes with a brush, I don't like to use those. I like to use a bigger fluffy brush. This is technically for blush, but you know what? I don't care. So we go ahead, and I like to stamp it on and then blend. So now that I've gotten my foundation like everywhere that I want it, I'm looking for places that I might need more coverage. And I found that this is a really buildable kind of powder. I've also found that the Maybelline Dream Wonder, this is a really good like drugstore foundation to kind of try to layer up on. And if you say you miss a spot, like I missed this one right here, and this is just like a scar that I would like to cover up, so you can still take your thicker concealer from NYX. Even though I did put foundation right there, you can tap that on there, still do the same method, and then you can still dip back into your foundation and tap it on there gently, okay? Tap it on there gently, and then it works just the same. It covers it up. And I wanted to mention, when I was applying the foundation near the areas that I had highlighted already, so I just feathered it in there and just kind of tried to get a good blend going. Now, if you're a baker, then I would suggest baking your under eyes and then trying to put on the powder foundation, because the bakage is going to protect the area right there. I just can't have that much dryness underneath my eyes, okay? I'm a girl of particular age and my face don't rock that way no more. So now that that's done, let's go ahead and speed through bronzer, blush, and highlight, which I'm gonna use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm gonna use the Phase Zero blush in the shade Making Moves. And you guys, this blush, not only is it so pretty, but it smells like this. And oh, if you have ever smelt the butter bronzer, then you know what this smells like, and it smells like heaven. Okay, so, and then I'm gonna use my tried and true Ofra and Nikkie Tutorials collab in the shade Glow Goals. So let's speed through this. Oh, also I'm going to be using, for baking my face in the areas in which I do bake, I'm going to be using the bake of the Wet n Wild Photofocus banana powder. you guys saw like basically when you bake with powder foundation, it's so easy. You can just almost immediately wipe it away because the powder has already took the shade of the other powder. Now, if you feel like you went like too ham on the blush, like somebody, you know, it's super easy. It's a lot easier because there's not a tacky base that's underneath of it. You can just kind of brush things away. You can move them and manipulate them a lot easier. So that's like one of the best things about a powder foundation versus a wet foundation. So last thing, let's go ahead and do lips. Okay, so let's go ahead and add the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade Ant Warp, and this is what Ant Warp looks like, hot pink, right? And then I'm going to use the NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in the shade Apple Strudel. Apple Strudel, Ant Warp. This is what it would look like with a matte hot pink lip. So this is my look with a matte hot pink lip. So let's go ahead and put the gloss on. And here is the pink gloss. Okay, so this is my look, guys, for, I don't know, this is a Valentine's Day look or whatever, but also this is my tutorial on a flawless, okay, powder foundation. This one just so happened to be with the Fit Me, and if there's a different powder foundation drugstore that you would like for me to try and like show you how to maneuver around it or anything, like say you have one that gets clean dry patches or anything like that, please let me know in the comments down below. If you're like kind of struggle busing with anything, I'm totally here to help everybody out because I want to be everybody's like drugstore guru, you know? So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff underneath of this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. I look like I'm early 2000s right now, like with the white pink eyeliner, foundation lip, all the bronze in the world. Oh my god. All I'm missing is like some platinum brown hair and to be like 2 shades darker. I wish E.L.F was paying me for as much as I use their shit.